Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sea of Thieves songs on the piano using an easy method. First, locate simplified sheet music or online tutorials for your favorite Sea of Thieves tune. Many resources offer arrangements specifically designed for beginners. Next, identify the core melody and any simple accompanying chords. Finally, sit comfortably at your piano, ensuring your hands are relaxed and ready to begin your musical adventure. Now let's focus on the melody. Use your right hand to play the main tune, concentrating on hitting each note precisely. The rhythm is crucial for capturing the adventurous spirit of Sea of Thieves music, so listen carefully to the original. Start at a slow tempo, perhaps at 50 beats per minute, gradually increasing as you gain confidence. This ensures every note is clear and well articulated. Once you have the melody down, it's time to add some simple accompaniment with your left hand. For an easy approach, try using one-finger or two-finger chords, often just the root note or a simple fifth. Coordinate both hands, playing the chords simultaneously with the corresponding melody note. This adds depth without overwhelming your playing, creating a fuller sound with minimal effort. To master your chosen Sea of Thieves song, practice in short, manageable sections. Repeat each phrase 5 to 10 times until it feels natural and flows smoothly. As your confidence builds, slowly increase your playing speed, aiming for a consistent tempo. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the process of bringing this fantastic pirate music to life on your piano. Keep sailing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.